They ask, a 5-meter ladder stands against a high wall. The foot of the ladder moves outward at a speed of 0.6 meter per second. When the foot is 1 meter from the wall, at that moment, how fast is the top of the ladder falling? Okay, so you can see this is an application of differentiation. So let's draw the ladder. So that's the wall, that's the ladder, that's the floor. So this is the ladder, this is the wall, while this is the floor. So at a particular, okay, let the length of the, okay, they give us the length of the ladder is 5. Why? We don't know the length of this floor, so let's call it X. And we don't know the length of the wall, let's call it Y. So, but they gave us that the foot of the ladder is moving outward at the rate of, so this is moving at dx over dt. That's the rate, which is 0.6. But we don't know the rate at which the ladder is going down, because this is moving as the ladder is shifting this direction. Why the height here will be the, so we're asked to find dy over dt. That's the unknown. So let's form equation from this, from Pythagorean theorem. You see that x squared plus y squared is 5 squared. So that's the equation, which is 25. This is x squared plus y squared. So since we are given dx dt, dy dt, so we need to differentiate this equation with respect to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to t, we have that is 2x dx over dt plus 2y dy over dt equal to 0. Yes. So, and from here we can see that 2 can divide, so we make dy dt is, so making dy dt the subject of formula, 2 can go. So we see that this is equal to minus x over y dx dt. So we'll make this the subject of formula. So next thing is to substitute the values. We are given this dy dt. We are given x. They say when the foot is 1 meter from the wall, so when x is 1. So they didn't give us the value of y, but with this equation we can get the value of y. So let's call this equation 1. So from equation 1, y is the square root of 25 minus x squared, which is square root of 24, which is 2 root 6. That is substituting x as 1. They gave us when x is 1. Therefore, dy over dt is minus 1 over y is 2 root 6 times dx dt is 6 over 10. So our answer is root 6 over 20. That 6 is root 6 times root 6. So remaining root 6, 2 times that. So remember the negative sign, so negative. So meaning that this negative sign shows that the top of the ladder is falling at the rate of root 6 over 20 meters per second. So that's it. The negative sign shows that it's decreasing. So that's the answer. Thank you.